Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the cash flow statement that you can see inside Odoo 19's accounting module. So what do you mean by that? It's basically a powerful report that helps you to track how money moves in and out of your business. I know that's very important to know about that. If you are a manager, if you're an accountant, or if you're a business person, you want to know everything that happens inside your business, right? So don't worry, here we have a report session for that. Even if your company looks profitable, your cash flow tells the real story of your financial health a day by day. So why we are waiting here? So let's head over to the accounting module first. So inside the accounting module of Odoo, there we have a reporting section. Under the reporting, there you can find the cash flow statement under the statement reports. So just click on there and you will get the dashboard. Okay. So inside the report, what are the things that you can see? Like it's basically divided into three main sections, which is operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities that you can find from here. Okay. So what are the operating activities that you can see, and what do you mean by an operating activity? Let me explain. Basically, operating activities are the cash from daily operations, whether it will be the sales, expense, or anything. So that will be the daily operations that happens inside your business organization. Okay. And next we have the investing activities. So investing activities is basically what? It's the purchases or sales of assets. Okay. And there we have the last one, which is financing activities. That means loans, equity, or payments, or not payments, it's repayments. Okay. And finally, you can see one more thing, which is cash flow from unclassified activities. Okay. Now there you can find two different options inside every statement, which is cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, and everything here. Okay. So basically, how we can understand the report is like the cash flow statement help you to answer a simple question. What is that? Where did money or where did my business money go? So inside the report, from a glance, you can identify all such questions or all such answers from here itself. Okay. So positive cash flow means your business is generating cash. Okay. And what do you mean by so the negative one? Basically, negative cash flow means you're spending more than your earnings. So you all know that while we are starting any business, there we have different kind of struggles that a business person need to face. Right. So in that time, they need to know about where their actual money is spending and how they're getting the money, everything. Right. So they can simply check out the cash flow statement inside Odoo 19. So it's basically the rough view about all the activities that happens in your organization. Okay. Now let's see how we can filter and compare all such things inside the report. You can filter the report by the periods, journals, and date range. Like there you can find different options on the top section. Like there you can find the date. So once you're clicking on their option, there you can find the month, quarter, year. So if you want to see the quarter report of the cash flow statement, just click on the quarter. And there you can find the quarter statement quarter cash flow statement inside the report. They can find it, right? So if you want to see the yearly basis, just go and click on there, and you can also customize the dates as per your concern. So if you want the cash flow statement of 2024, you can simply move to 2024 and you will get the cash flow statement of that particular year. So let's move back to the 2025, and you can also custom the date as per your concern. Okay. So you can use the filter for the date range, and there we have all journals. So if you want to filter with any of the journals, with the bank journal, cash bakery, cash bar, and there we have different kind of journals that are existing in your DB. So if you want to filter using that journals, you can simply do that. And there we have the posted entries, which if you want to draft any entries, you can directly move to draft entries and you can draft it. And if you want to unfold all such the entries, you can simply unfold it. And there you can see the headlines at inside the report. So it's basically 0. That's why it's showing the 0. And there we have the in dollars, which means in dollar, in different kind of variant what dollars, that you can find it from here itself. Okay. So there you can find all such details, and you can filter and compare with each other reports of cash flow statements. Okay. So Odoo updates the data in real time based on your journal entries pretty easily. So next thing that you can find inside the cash flow statement is drilling down. What do you mean by drilling down? So let me take this thing, which is advance payment received from the customers under the cash flows from the operating activities. Okay. So if you want to see the detailed information or the expansion of this particular report, you can simply click on that drop down arrow and you will get the expansion of that. You can see the account receivables, how much is that, $3,500 is there. And if you want to see the general ledger about that particular account receivables, you can simply click on that 3 dots and you will get the information about the general ledger. You can simply go to there and you can check and finalize everything. So there we have an option to drill down, which means you can specify the invoice as a payment, or you can contribute to your cash flow very easily. Like you can expand all such things and you can see the detailed overview about that particular report inside the cash flow statement. Okay. So that's the basic things that you can find inside the cash flow statement. So I hope you all understood this. Okay. So in this way, you can simply track your cash flow inside Odoo 19 by monitoring where your money is coming from and where it is actually going. So you'll make a better decision and avoid cash shortages very easily. So this report is basically very important to all of your business. Do check it out today itself inside Odoo 19. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial on balance sheet report inside Odoo 19 to complete your financial overview within seconds. Okay, so I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.